a couple of different weather systems working through the course of the week will certainly keep us busy. The first one is this lump here. Notice this massive cloud and how it's sort of just tailing off to a little bit of a tail. That's the main piece of energy that has made it quite a wet and quite a windy sort of day for some of us. Further south and east, it's been quite warm. Changeable though for the week. It'll be windy at times, particularly the middle part of the week. We're dealing with this first area of low pressure for the first part of the week, trailing weather front there, and the main lump of rain that has a bit of a wave in it that just sort of slows it down as we go through Monday. So instead of it just clearing through, it just sort of gets another little piece of energy into it. And notice how the area of blue just sort of expands as we go through Monday. A brighter, fairly breezy sort of day for Scotland, Northern Ireland, 1 or 2 showers. And notice how that area of wet weather just expands somewhat, keeping the risk for some showers across maybe the south coast of England, further east and north through the course of the afternoon towards London, and further from that to parts of East Anglia. Beyond heavier bursts, maybe a rumble or two of thunder, and temperatures 24 with perhaps some brightness here and there. Further west from this, you're doing fine. Northwest England, much of western Scotland, but you can see this area of blue just sort of easing its way past, just knocking on the doorsteps of the east coast of Aberdeenshire, as it does for the afternoon of Monday. Western parts of Scotland, fine, 1 or 2 showers, and the same sort of thing for Northern Ireland. A few showers, but also some drier, brighter weather as we finish the day. For parts of Wales, after what is probably a cloudier start to the day, we're pushing this weather system through, so from Cardiff going west, you've got a fairly bright afternoon, 1 or 2 showers, and the same sort of thing for southwest parts of England as we finish off Monday. So this is our first little piece of the weather front. That continues to ease away, taking its sort of lump there away. And then it's sort of quiet through the night, a few lumps of showers off to the west, but not too bad for the most part, with our numbers 9 to 12 or 13. We've pushed all that warm air back to the continent that sat across southern parts of Britain for the day today. Then as we go through the week, a couple of things to point out. This system here starting to work its act and get its act together, but I think for Tuesday it's a quieter day. With that fairly swift westerly flow, we'll have a few showers. There might be the odd heavier one here and there, perhaps more organised clumps as they come to life through the afternoon. Further east, you might not see as many. We'll keep a keen breeze through the day. And finishing numbers, probably 18, 19, maybe about 22, 23. Then we get to Wednesday, and probably just sort of take a big deep breath, because look at this thing here. This is quite a mass, quite a low, quite a deepening low, and this thing has sort of remnants of what is a tropical troublemaker off to our west. So it'll be fairly humid, quite a lump of rain, and quite an area of wind too. Strong, even severe gales as it works, and you can see it sort of winding itself up. This is Wednesday. So it's quite a mass of blue, quite an area of heavy rain that'll pile its way in. And as I say, there could be strong to even severe gales around some of the exposed western coast. That's Wednesday. Wednesday's the big X day, a write-off day. Bear it in mind, maybe out and about. Soggy old day, not the day for the snaps, really. We push the thing away, then we start to build the pressure. So high pressure builds in for Thursday, but still a keen flow across northern parts of Britain. Fairly swift winds, and then this little lump here brings in the risk for some more showers into northwestern areas as we go through to Thursday. But the further south and east you are, I think you're sort of seeing mainly dry, or drier, temperatures into the low to middle 20s. And then we work towards the end of the week, and notice how this low just sort of bends in. Another little weather front works its way through, so there'll be that risk of some showers, and particularly on that weather front as that sweeps through, probably overnight into Friday. It's a breezy day with a northwesterly wind, top number into the lower 20s. So it's a changeable week.